guys, I'm Elisa from GS Audio and I'm here to introduce you our new GS Audio Pro Series woofer. These are the magnets used to create the woofers. 1.5 inch voice coil, 2 inch voice coil and 2.5 voice coil. These magnets are characterized by a copper ring for better cooling and for stabilize the impedance at high frequencies, as you can see on the chart that you have on the data sheets. This is a high quality ferrite with a chrome back plate. The woofer is composed also by a blue aluminium basket, aluminium voice coil with the fiber holder, non-expider, paper pressed cone with a specific glue for a speaker. The woofers are available on the website in 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch and 12 inch. You can find all the technical information on the data sheets on the website.